Alright, bros, it's really late. It's 1:44 in the morning, but I'm gonna do my day trading recap of 7/7/2021. Uh, no way, my orders disappeared. No. Alright, I can go back. Oh, 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 oh. Sorry. One day back from today. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, dude. Don't worry, dude. Alright, bro. We're gonna talk about this really quick, you know what I'm saying? Because it's really late at night, but you know what? I'm gonna do this every single day. And this is just gonna be a habit. It doesn't matter how tired I am, you know what I'm saying? And let me just start talking about this before I start rambling. Okay, so I took one Facebook call. It was a false breakout right here at this level. In the morning, right here. I think I took it right here. The premium ran up a little bit, but I was trying to get filled with 10 contracts, but it only filled me with one. And thank God it only filled me with one because right away it got rejected out of this level crazy, and it just started dumping. There was also press announce like a announcement from like Donald Trump about him banning Facebook. I mean no, about them banning him from Facebook and Twitter as well. Like there was like a huge class action lawsuit that he's gonna file against him with like a bunch of like really expensive lawyers, like like a lot of cigarette lawyers. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it sounded pretty serious. Started dumping a little bit. Throughout the day, it started like drilling down just slightly. Like if you want to see a real drill, if you want to see a real drill that I probably should have capitalized from, was Uber, and this drilled crazy. This drilled from this level that I had right here on for puts. It drilled almost $2, kind of maybe three. I don't know, 250 something like that. But either way, this premium just went insane. The premium went up like 300, 400% today, and I probably should have caught that move, but I was too busy looking at other call flow throughout the market, and I probably should have been focusing on my core plays, and I probably would have caught a really nice gain right there on these puts, because we've been mooning for the past couple of days. Well, actually like 2 weeks now, and to be honest, it's unrealistic to think that we're just gonna moon every single day now. Like the market has to gas up somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Amazon can't go up $150 every day, because it just loses gas. I mean, it says it's up $20 from yesterday's hot, and it did hold support right there, stuff like that. But either way, like it needs gas. It needs more gas. This is a lot of consolidation right here that it's been through, and like the market is like this. Like you could look at Apple right here, like Apple as well. Like you're not gonna tell me that this chart doesn't look overextended. I could see us, and you know what? It kind of sounds like I have a bearish stance, and I don't like having any stance on any side. Like I said in one of my previous videos, but as you can see, like there's a lot of Fed talk around this week and stuff like that. So obviously we're not gonna moon how we have been mooning throughout these past couple of weeks. Like there has to be a healthy pullback for a nice bull market. I would like to see a healthy pullback on all these levels. All these leaders right here. We're literally almost at HOD and a lot of big tech, and I want to see a pullback right here a little bit. Well, not that I want to see it, but I just want to make sure that the market is healthy. You know what I'm saying? And everything is working out good. Now I'm still neutral. I'm not a barrel bull, but you know what I'm saying. I just see some worrisome within the market, and that's why I decided to play puts today for the most part. Well, my one play. Wait, let me see. I did a QDL put. There was news about it being charged with like some FDA fine or something like that. I don't know. It started dumping on me crazy. The contract I bought it at 180, and at HOD it was like at around like four something. So like somebody was trying to get filled with like 18 contracts at four something, bro. But once it bounced right here, I immediately sold out right here, bro. and I took a $20 L. And like looking back at it, I know I could have made at least like $300 off that one contract. But at the same time, when I bought that contract, that spread was insane. Like this shit was so liquid. Like I caught the news like really early, and I was just trying to find, I was just trying to find a strike price that will actually feel me, because like even now you can see like there's nobody here, bro. And when I looked at this shit, there was literally nobody here. Like there was no way I was gonna be able to get filled without being filled at a crazy price, because that's just what people had it at. Like as you can see, this one was like at 185, something like that, really far away from the money right here. I picked up those 117s. I was the one that opened up that spread right here. I don't know if you could see it right here. Let me see. Spread was insane, bro. But I just went all in on this. You know what I'm saying? All right. So yeah, this was me, bro. Yup, this was me. Now there were some buyers trying to buy in lower than me, and I know it looks really crazy. It looks really crazy that I opened the spread by myself. Well, it says 63 people because like a bunch of people followed me, but I know I was the first buyer because I was the one that opened up the spread, and that was a really risky play. But I did see this humongous candle. It fell down almost $10 in one candle. You know what I'm saying? And this stock, it moves, but it doesn't move like that crazy. Well, it has had some its dumpages, but not within 2 minutes. Like this shit was insane. I opened up that spread. I was down immediately, bruh. And I probably should have held. I probably should have left my stop loss at like a $50 loss, because I was still up on the day. I'll show you guys the trade that I made that got me up for the day. I probably should have kept that, because this shit just started mooning, because like it looked like it would want to like drill for oil, like it was drilling for oil, and it just started pumping, going crazy. There was people trying to get. It was like the high was 350, but I seen people trying to get filled at like 450, so crazy price like that. And nobody was selling because everyone thought it was just gonna keep on drilling, but the drilling immediately stopped, and people just got, you know, people didn't get the best of their positions, but at the same time, like this premium was so shitty, and yeah, whoever was what was in this premium, but before, I'm sure like they went crazy. But at the same time, I don't even think they loaded off, because look, there was a lot of volume in this shit. And look, there's 63 volume right here, 48. These options were really trash. If it was a stock with like more option activity, I definitely would have came up crazy on that trade. The number one trade that I made today was WB, and I've been looking at the stock for the past 2 days. Yeah, since yesterday. Yesterday night. There was news about it being bought out. I woke up super early yesterday, and I was looking at that news, and I thought it was gonna rip higher, to like whichever offer it was gonna be bid at, to be sold out of. But the company CEO, somebody within the company said that was a lie. It was determined that was a lie. GG's in the chat. Now it sold off almost all of its gains. It was still up a couple dollars. Probably based on like the bag holders that bought at 81.55. Like, oh my god, imagine buying at 81.55 and watching that shit just rip down. I'm sure there's people stuck at that level right here. So, which is probably why we didn't pump as much today. On now, I don't know why we started pumping today. I was looking at the stock since the open, and it was just mooning little by little, little by little, little by little. I was in actuality, I got filled in on the where is it at? I got filled in the 70s, right? But in actuality, I was looking at like the 56s, or I don't know. It was one of these really, 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 close to the money contracts. Now, I was trying to get filled in that, and out of nowhere, a huge candle came out of nowhere, and it's like this shit just started ripping, started going crazy. I think it was this right here, because look, now you could see that it was ripping the other day, and it was. At one point, I think it was up like 8%, but like it was just moving so slow, because I don't know what it is with TOS charts. It just makes everything look so weird. Hold on. My God. No way, my chart's messed up. I It just like TOS charts makes stuff look so weird, like especially when stuff sells off, like the contract, like the candle sizes make everything look so weird, and you know like there's like no space between them, and and the premium wasn't moving either, so I wasn't really paying much attention to it. I thought it was just gonna, crush like it was gonna theta crush anybody buying those contracts. And once we had this crazy push right here, I bought it. I tried to buy it right away at a really close strike price, and I wasn't able to be filled right here. I was trying to buy in at 60. I was trying to buy. I'll tell you right now. I don't know what strike price it was, but it was really close for this same amount of money right here, 60 cents, and that one contract went to like $4 high, like literally on this candle right here. And I was really mad that I missed that play. But at the same time, I did catch it kind of. I know I told you guys that, or I told myself that I wasn't gonna do that. If I missed a play, I wasn't gonna play it. But there was amazing continuation within this play, and once I saw this stock actually going parabolic, like I knew like the chances of it mooning is really high due to what happened yesterday, and there's probably a lot of sellers up here at this level. So like my target for this trade was probably around here or maybe around here, but at the same time, you know, it just got rejected crazy at that level, probably because people just wanted to start selling out. Because a lot of people got stuck yesterday, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, I don't really like taking trades like this, especially when it like moons and it dumps like that, because for the most part, I usually get theta burned, or I don't know what that is, like theta decay or something like that. But it worked out really well for this because it was like mooning hard. Like now it's only up 1.7, but it was up like 8% during the time. And yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. Oh, that NEGG contract that I had yesterday, yeah, that shit is up yeah, yeah, basically, yeah, yeah. Look at this chart, bro. I sold this shit for a measly, I don't even know. Oh, like right here in this candle, $25. I sold it for a measly $60 L, and look what happens overnight, or yeah, overnight and throughout the day. It just moons crazy. I think I had the 35 calls, bro. They're at 3,400 each, bro. Are you kidding me, bro? Let me see right now. Let me see right now, brother. I literally sold for L when the hot of this was $44. That's insane. I had them at $3 each. That's insane, bro. And that goes to show you how rational this market is. I thought this shit was just gonna start dumping, and it just started pumping even more. I don't know if this is being short. If like there's a lot of shorts in this company, but at the same time, like what else can cause such a parabolic move? It's not technical. It's not this news. Bro, I swear, if we hit 102 by tomorrow, I swear I'll buy all the $100 calls, because at the end of the day, this market is so irrational. Now tomorrow, I'm gonna focus on more core plays. I'm gonna focusing on my levels and looking. I want to look at flow, because flow has been making me money, but at the same time, I want to start trusting my levels more. And I probably have been ranting for a minute now, and it's just because like there's nothing really much to talk about today, other than market rotation, things being overbought and whatever not. And that was the only trade I took. I bought one neg stock, and then I sold it right away for $1 LGGs. And then what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. That was pretty much it. My whole day right here. It was pretty short and sweet. I didn't take a lot of trades today, which was good because the premium. I mean, because the commission didn't cruise me, and I ended up the day up $120. I was up 150, but I took that $20 L on that put right there, which I probably could have made money on. And that's pretty much it. That was my day, and I hope you guys had a great trading day as well, and I hope you guys have a great green day tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll make sure to record my day right after market closing, because this is kind of random at almost 2 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, GG's in the chat, boys. Have a good day tomorrow. GG's in the chat. Come back for the next video. GG's in the chat.